big bowl. And I need Ellie to share this with me.
That?
Yeah, I got it too full.
This?
Yeah.
Nobody else, that outside. Nobody else, and that from you. Nobody else, that outside. Nobody else.
I save these parts of my green onion and put them in water so I can grow more, and they stay good for quite a while. This meal was super filling. Everybody got full, and so for supper we just had a light meal. I made more of my bean dip that we all really liked from day one, and I just set out a whole bunch of fresh vegetables, and my kids just gobbled it all up. So it was really easy, and we were really full this night. That wraps up day 4. It was really a good day, and I didn't have to do any cooking because I had prepped everything ahead of time. And my sweet potatoes, my avocados, my mango were all frozen, and so I just let those thaw in the fridge overnight and then warmed them up a little bit the next day and threw that salad together. And then my bean dip, everything was already done. I just threw it in the blender and gave it a whirl, and we were ready to eat. Thanks for watching. Subscribe if you want to see more challenges that my family is going to do, and stay tuned to see how day 5 goes for us. Bye!